How did you go with that? Are you ready to add on some more code? Fantastic. So you would have noticed that every time you press the green flag, the balloon moves, but it only moves once. When we look at my example game, every time I press the green flag, the balloons move continuously or in a loop, so over and over and over again. I don't have to keep pressing the green flag to make the balloon move. So we're going to fix our code so that our balloon moves continuously or in a loop. And in order to do that, we need another special block of code called a control block, which are these blocks over here. Now, a control block allows us to control how often things might happen in our program. And probably the most famous control block that we've come across so far would be the repeat block, which means that whatever sits inside this particular block is going to repeat over and over and over and over again for the amount of times that it specifies in the number there. So we're going to need a block like this. This block will only let my code repeat a certain number of times. However, there's another block which is just like a repeat block, and this one is called forever. So this again will repeat whatever's inside over and over and over and over and over and over again, but it will do it forever. So it won't look for a particular number to guide how often it's going to repeat. We want it to repeat forever. So this is the block that I'm going to work with now. So I'm going to pick this one up and I'm dragging it and dropping it onto the pasteboard. And I'm going to place it just there. Now, in order to make the block work, I need to put this blue block, the glide block, inside. You might have to break things apart a little. So the forever block should go under the when green flag is clicked block. So when I start the game, I forever want to move my balloon to a random place on the screen. And so now you'll notice when I press the green flag, the balloon just flies over and like to all different places, and I don't have to keep pressing that green flag button in order to make it move. It's forever repeating. Pause the video and have a go at adding that block on. How did you go? Did you manage to add the forever block onto your glide movement block? Awesome. We're ready for the next part now. So let's have a look at my example game again. So I'm going to press the green flag and my balloons float all through the air. I'm going to click on the purple balloon. And when I do that, the balloon pops, disappears, and then reappears. Okay? Because we pop the balloon and the game is to pop the balloon. So I'm going to click on the yellow one now. It disappears and then it reappears. So this is the blocks that we're going to add on now to our code. So in order to do this, I'm going to need a new stack of code. I've already given my balloon the instructions of what it's going to do when the game starts. Now I'm going to give it some instructions on what I want it to do if someone touches it or clicks on it. So in order to do that, I need another event block because I'm telling the balloon when you're clicked on or when you're touched, I want you to go pop. So over here again to my coding menu, I find the event blocks, which are yellow, and click on those. And this time I'm going to go to the third block down. This one is called when this sprite clicked. So when I click on the balloon or the sprite, or when I touch the balloon or sprite. And when I do that, I want it to go pop. Okay, let's quickly test it out. Perfect. Now, pause the video, have a go at adding those blocks on.